can do it.
Leg sweep na lang, okay? Leg sweep na lang. Let's try. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one leg up, right? Yeah. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. In your head. That's 10 and 10. Good. Now
Swimmer.
Swimmer.
Swim it, Mike, swim it. Meg, bisa mo, malulunod ka na. Swim. Swim, Meg. Meg, right on behind you. 6, 7, lifted. 8, 9, 10, 10. Got it. Yeah, Megster's doing it. Kaya na yan, Meg. Pwede ka na mag-extra rice mamaya.
Amunado. We are done. Three, 4, and 5. There you go.
Ready?
You're gonna make it more harder tomorrow, Meg.
Go.
Watch the intensity tomorrow.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, Megster.
Mountain climber, no break.
No break.
Mountain climber. Push it up.
Break.
Ready?
10.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good.
7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Push up.
Hurry up, push up.
Last one.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Maxter. You did it. Maxter did it with flying colors, Meg. Good job, Megalodon. 14.
Yeah.
This one is too hard. This one is. The swimming one. The swimming one. I was like, which way did I go? I forgot. What's the easiest one? Tell me what's the easiest one. Root bridge one? Root bridge. The double or single? The double. Huh? The double. Double? Then you do 20 of that one. Yeah. We'll do 20.
Double it up next time.
20 on the double bridge.
No, the next time, double the intensity if you could. Good job, Maxter. Proud of you.
Can you do this one? Girl, you can do this one on a stretching pose. This one is hard.
Imagine this. You guys do this. Do that, Meg. You're gonna be like a ball.
Girl, I do this one there. I do this one, you can do this one. I don't think you can do this one.
Not yet.
I think you need more abs now.
Relax. Let's pick up. Handle your groceries. We start with the freshest items. Carefully packed and
Next time we're gonna do is make ito
fresh groceries your way.
on your core. Nakataas yung ano mo, paa mo while you're doing that.
You're good at this one, that's to relax your lower back.
It will, pretty soon.
Okay, tomorrow we do this one, okay?
Core, Meg.
Again, 10 sets of this one. 10 sets, yes. Yeah.
That core.
You can do dumbbell or we can do this one. 3 of us, me and you, kuya, we must switch.
Yeah.
Tama. Back to school?
Oh, you can buy that. Dahil mong bag sa ano. Aba ka, pagbigay mo yung bag mo dito eh. Dito may donate yung bag mo. Mag-donate ka ng bag. Bigay mo sa kanila yung bag. Can you donate it? Yeehaw! Ano naman yung haring araw. Let's go again. Tapos na naman ang workout. Huh. Best time to be healthy. Hamonado for lunch, Megs. Very good.
10:48 na, oo.
Yeah, that's good. After your workout, cook lunch for Mama and Papa. Did that work? Till later.
They're at work, si Mother. Father is sleeping. Yeah, so when she gets home, I'm gonna cook it lunch for her. And I'm making maybe scrambled eggs.
Yeah, hindi mo bumili ng XCT atin mo kagabi. Kahapon sa Walmart. Okay. It's a nice workout, guys. Tomorrow again. Bukas again. Good workout, Maxter.